What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited because we're going to be doing some things to the Camaro today. The carbon fiber splitter and carbon fiber side skirts that I ordered came in literally a few minutes ago. I just unpackaged everything and I'm super hyped to put them on. They look so good. Let's take a look at them now. Here are the side skirts. Super clean. The weave is unbelievable. No damage at all. That's why I went ahead and unpackaged it as soon as it got here, just to make sure that everything was good. They look so good. They're gonna make the car look so much better. And here's the splitter, which also looks phenomenal. And I'm super excited. I'd never planned on getting a carbon fiber splitter, but we got the carbon fiber boardless, so might as well keep the theme going with around the car. I'm sure eventually I'll get the carbon fiber rear diffuser, but that's like down the line because I know that's pricey too. But very concerned about this with this extremely steep driveway, but I think we'll be okay. It's not that far of a drop. It's a ZL1 style front splitter and ZL1 style side skirts. So got the car backed up, got the drill coming because I don't have one. Shouts out to my friend that's gonna bring it for me. And let's get on with the install. All right, so update. We got everything just about ready. I just took out all the screws that are holding in the bottom part of the bumper to get ready to put this on. It looks like most of or all of them get reused, and I want to say there's about seven or eight that are going to require self tappers, and that should be it for this, with double-sided sticky tape, of course, which I'm about to put on. And then the front splitter should be done, and then we're gonna move on to the side skirts, which is, I want to say they're all self tappers, and there's also rivets. So we'll try to take our time with that because I haven't had too much experience with that, but it shouldn't be too difficult, but we'll see. All right, you guys, so we just finished up the install. Wasn't too terrible. I actually didn't use any rivets. I just went ahead and used all the self tappers that they had, just a bunch. I think I used 10 on the side skirts on each side on the bottom piece, and then there was another 8 that went along the side to make sure it doesn't flop or anything like that. On the front splitter, we used all the 14 original bolts, and then I think 7 more of the self tappers, and it looks phenomenal. So let's take a look. Alright, you guys, so we're finally fully done with the install. I think the car looks so much better with the ZL1 side skirts and ZL1 splitter. It makes it look a lot meaner. I love the look of it now. Everything is tying in together with the wicker bill, side skirt, splitter, and the carbon fiber tips. It's all tying in. It's all looking really good now. I had to put some extra self tappers in the front and the sides just for some more security, and I'll show y'all what that looks like. Alright, so slide update. Got everything drilled in. Had to put a few more of the self tappers in, and everything is good. All the factory bumper bolts, like I said, go back in wherever they go, and then you just put the self tappers in, and that's all the front splitter, which looks pretty good. You know, we just drove like 400 miles, so there's a bunch of bugs in the front. And side skirts too, same thing. It didn't call for one right there, but I put one in because it seemed like it was a little floppy up top. That's the first area that gets hit with wind, so just put them all along here, and really nothing to it. It was pretty simple. Just decided to put a few extra ones because they sent a bunch, so better be safe than sorry. So that's all it is. So like I was saying, it's better to be safe than sorry, so just got some extra security self tappers in, and it's not going to hurt nothing. So it's just a precautionary, just because it was it was expensive, so I want to make sure that it's all good. But if y'all like the new look, let me know. I absolutely am in love with it. I love how it looks now. It makes it look a lot meaner, and it wasn't that hard of an install neither, so that was everything worked out great. It makes the car look a lot better. The install was like maybe an hour with prepping and all that, getting it jacked up, so barely any time at all. Makes the car look 100 times better. Win-win on all ends of the board. But if y'all like the video, let me know. Hopefully there's going to be some more mods for the car coming. I don't really know what I want to do next, so it's right now it's just like a toss-up of how I want to plan things out. I don't know if I want to do more cosmetic stuff or performance mods, but we'll see down the line. And stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one.